Hi everyone. E. Number 1. Double E. Meet. Fear. C. Free. Number 2. E. A. Team. Reach. Mean. C. Number 3. I. E. N. E. I. Reply. P. Neutral. Receiver. Number 4. Final. E. Me. We. She. He. Number 5. E. Consonant E. C. Chinese. Peter. Number 6. Final Y. City. Duty. Country. Ability. Number 7. Ending with ick. Unique. Putty. Gratty. Deep sea. Bean and Chinese. Serve hard. Bread dipped. 3 meal. Green leaf. A terribly easy. Sweet dream. Picture and dream. Speak Chinese. Number 1. Steven read the email before he left. Number 2. Can you see the sea? Number 3. Appears please. Number 4. Peter joins the team. Number 5. Please speak Peter about the employee meeting. E and is sis. I. Sis. Keep fit. Dinner. Bill. Quick. Kitty. Sister. Jam. Shampoo. Ham. 1. Big city. 2. Dinner the kitchen. 3. Green meal. 4. A picture of building. 5. Simple living. 6. Fish and chip. 7. Trip to Italy. 8. American ticket. 9. Sitting. 15. 10. Winter wind. Number 1. Kim will visit her big sister Linda in Vienna. 2. During the beginning, it was difficult for Jim to quit drinking. 3. The Smiths invited him to an informal dinner. 4. This city has an interesting history. 5. When did Bill Clinton visit the Middle East? E. Leaf. E. Leaf. Filler. Fail. List. His. Sleep. Cheap. Beat. Still, still. Eat, eat. Sick, sick. Fit, fit. Sip, sip. Thank you for watching.